So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Happiest Mind Share. So we know that today the stock has corrected almost 6 to 7% and currently it is closed near 728 rupees level. So previously when you have done the analysis near the 740, 750, so clearly I discussed don't try to add in heavy quantities because already the stock is giving continuous momentum. So I told add in small portion. That is whenever it is showing any sort of correction, that is from past 2 days, it is showing little correction. So many people message me. I told them try to add like 2 shares, 3 shares. So in that way you can accumulate. So now since it is at a very good region of buying, so definitely we'll try to do complete technical analysis and we'll see what are the next possible targets as well. And if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and also join the Telegram group if you have not done that, so that you'll not miss any latest updates. Okay, so if we see day-to-day wise deliveries, how they are being taken in Happiest Minds. So you can see on May 11th, the stock has corrected as usual 2.1%, and yesterday also it has corrected almost 5.7%, and today also you can include the downfall and you can see roughly the stock is in little correction phase. So obviously if you see the complete momentum, the stock has always given uptrend. So when any stock is giving continuous uptrend, any stock, whether it may be a fundamentally strong stock, whether it is having good fundamentals, bad fundamental, doesn't matter. So any stock which is having some huge momentum, ultimately profit booking happens at any point of time and you need to be ready for that. So now since it is very good stock, nothing to panic about that. So we'll discuss what is the major support region where we can add this particular stock, and definitely from there again it will start retracing. So understand that deliveries are also increasing on a regular basis. So especially when correction happens, so many of them take the opportunity and invest in small portions. So try to understand that. So don't try to invest in heavy quantities. So invest in small parts. So ultimately when you try to average, you will also have some very good quantity. Okay. So now let's go to technical charts. We'll see technicals which are very important. Okay, so we're back onto technical charts and you can see this is the 1 week chart. So basically we try to analyze first on weekly time frame. After that we go to daily time frame. So in weekly time frame we see what are the major conclusions that we can draw. So you can see this was the earlier resistance for the stock, basically 679, from where it has started continuous momentum. So now this particular week we have seen a very huge bearish candle. Can you see here? So from top we have seen very huge selling. So that is okay. We can say it has a very huge resistance where it has faced near the 800 plus rupees levels. So now comes what is the next support. So clearly you can see the first major support is coming out to be near 720. Okay, so that is going to be the major support, 720. If it breaks that, then again 700 is going to be one important level. After that we have the last and final support which is coming out to be near 680. Okay, so you need to watch out these three supports, and coming to resistances wise you need to focus on 750. So that is going to be the near term resistance that you need to keep in focus. So basically since we are in correction phase, you need to keep in mind the three major supports that I have discussed. So if you go a little bit down and if you see money flow index, you can see that is completely in overbought. So from last weeks, we can compare like 4 to 5 weeks, the stock is continuously in the overbought region because of the buying, basically demand. What we can say, because of a strong fundamentals, many people are attracted to it and they bought at that particular levels, and it has given returns also in that particular manner itself. So nothing to panic about that. Focus on levels. So that is very important, and you can accumulate at each and every support. Okay, so when we go to daily time frame, so you can see that the stock is a little bit of continuous 3 days. We have seen correction and the candles are also very huge candles. So coming to the pattern that it is forming, so you can see a little bit of head and shoulder pattern type is being formed here. So clearly you can see, so ultimately 679 is the level which is going to be very important. So in the coming weeks, it might retrace a little bit, showing that it is showing complete retracement. So to trap a little bit of swing traders, but again, it may correct. Okay. So from here after going slightly up, again it may come down near the 679. Chances are present. So I'm telling this, chances are present. So try to add near this particular level, from where again the stock will start retracing. Okay, focus on that particular level. It is very, very important, followed by 700 and 680, from where the stock retracing chances are also maximum. And coming to money flow index in daily time frame, you can see that has settled a little bit from completely overbought region. It has come to slightly, we can say 79 region. So that is fair enough for a stock which is having some very good fundamentals. Okay, so focus on all these levels. So further, if you're having any doubt, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. So Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.